Hi guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to look into what has been said to be the fastest layer 1 blockchain currently on the market called Sei. And as always, I'll give my thoughts on how many Sei I think you'll need to be a millionaire in this bull run with detailed price predictions. I'll cover Sei's tokenomics, the announcement that Sei Wallets are to be pre-installed on millions of Xiaomi phones in 2026, which is huge news. I'll cover the major Giga Upgrade, which will bring upwards of 200,000 transactions per second to Sei, and also look at the future outlook for Sei as well. And if you find this free content useful, please be sure to hit the subscribe button to help support the channel. Okay, now let's begin. About Sei. Sei is an open source, permissionless, scalable layer 1 blockchain designed for the decentralized finance space. It uses a twin turbo consensus mechanism that allows it to achieve a high level of performance and finality time of just 400 milliseconds, enable it to be classed as the fastest layer 1 blockchain currently on the market, surpassing Solana in terms of speed. As a delegated proof of stake blockchain, Sei enables its holders to earn rewards in the form of Sei tokens for helping to validate and secure the network. And they state on their website it's easy to stake Sei tokens by just transferring them to a digital wallet that supports Sei staking. The Sei token is used to power the Sei ecosystem, including paying transaction fees for staking to secure the network and as a governance token to allow token holders to have a say in the future development and updates of the Sei blockchain. Sei was built with speed and performance in mind. Its goal is to be the layer 1 for all DeFi applications, including NFT marketplace and gaming decentralized exchanges, and aims to solve the trilemma issues of decentralization, scalability, and capital efficiency that exchanges face today. Sei was founded in 2022. The team have a wealth of knowledge and experience in the technology and traditional finance sectors, and the mainnet launched to the public on August 2023. Jay Jog, co-founder of Sei, told TechCrunch in a recent article, "Our mission is to build the best infrastructure for exchanges. The blockchain also has projects building games, NFT marketplaces, and roll-ups. It's not just DeFi, but other applications that derive demand from trading." Also, a fun fact to mention is Sei was originally planned to run as a scaling solution on the Ethereum blockchain, but issues with Ethereum's limited throughput meant it chose the Cosmos SDK mechanism instead, which is an open source framework for building public proof-of-stake blockchains. Also, it was announced in 2023 that Sei would become a carbon neutral blockchain by making sure any energy used would be taken from renewable sources like solar and wind generated power, which was a massive step for the company. Sei Supply and Tokenomics. The Sei blockchain launched with a total supply of 10 billion tokens and has a current circulating supply around 6.49 billion tokens. The Sei token is used to power the Sei ecosystem, including paying transaction fees for staking to secure the network and as a governance token to allow token holders to have a say in the future development and updates of the Sei blockchain. The initial token distribution of Sei network is as follows. 48% is allocated to ecosystem reserve, 9% is allocated to foundation, 20% is allocated to team, 3% is allocated to Binance launch pool, and lastly 20% is allocated to private sale investors. Sei Giga Upgrade. The Sei Giga Upgrade is Sei's major up-and-coming upgrade set to transform Sei into super-fast parallelized EVM blockchain, aiming to deliver 5 gigagas throughput, sub 400 millisecond finality time, and over 200,000 transactions per second for high-performance EVM applications. One of the key components is parallelized execution. Giga runs multiple transaction streams simultaneously, boosting throughput significantly. This makes it unique because if compared to traditional blockchains, they can only process transactions one by one. Put simply, this massive throughput will be 50 times higher than any existing EVM compatible chain, and the upgrade enhances compatibility with the Ethereum virtual machine, making it easier for developers to port existing Ethereum dApps to the high-performance Sei network. So overall, what this new Giga Upgrade will do is transform Sei into a high-frequency trading infrastructure that is suitable for the AI, RWA tokenization and gaming sectors, and furthermore enhance scalability for complex DeFi and consumer applications. And the Sei Giga Upgrade is scheduled to go live in Q1 of 2026. Sei Wallets to be pre-installed on Xiaomi phones. It was announced on a CoinDesk article in December 2025 that Sei's new crypto wallet and Web3 discovery application will come pre-installed on millions of Xiaomi smartphones, which are sold outside China and the US in 2026, which is huge. Why this is a big announcement is because Xiaomi is the world's third largest mobile phone vendor, with around 13% market share, coming in behind only Apple and Samsung. And the app will enable users to send peer-to-peer payments, access decentralized applications, and explore Web3 products without the need to download any additional software. Also, a major component to the partnership is it will enable stablecoin payments across more than 20,000 Xiaomi retail stores worldwide, starting in Europe and Hong Kong, with the app running on the Sei blockchain. In a press release shared to CoinDesk, they said, "The collaboration will provide millions of people with their first entry point into crypto, especially in countries where Xiaomi dominates the smartphone landscape like Greece 36.9% and India 24.2%. And to further help with broader adoption, the Sei Development Foundation have launched a 5 million global mobile innovation program that is designed to fund developers building consumer apps that will run on mobile devices." Sei partners with Circle and Chainlink. The Sei network recently announced a partnership with Circle to bring the USDC stablecoin to the chain, which will allow it for near instant transfers of native USDC cross-chain, which simply put enables USDC to connect to 62 billion in cross-chain liquidity to Sei, which is big. Furthermore, it will bring wider adoption, a faster network and growing activity to the Sei ecosystem, which will please investors. And it was also announced that Sei partnered with Chainlink, one of the most reliable and secure decentralized Oracle networks, to integrate the protocol Chainlink Cross-Chain Interoperability Protocol, or CCIP for short. This partnership will allow for the infrastructure of transferring data and tokens directly between blockchains without relying on external bridges which can be vulnerable to attacks, so ensuring rapid transfers of assets that don't compromise on security. The Exchange Trilemma. To help us understand why Sei was built to help solve the exchange's trilemma issue of decentralization, scalability and capital efficiency, the attached diagram shows the three types of exchanges today, including automated market makers, centralized exchanges and central limit order books, currently offer some but not all of the three areas of decentralization, scalability and capital efficiency. Starting with automated market makers, the orange box, their job is to match buyers and sellers and are decentralized and scalable, but not capital efficient as we can see. Next we have centralized exchanges, the dark purple box, which acts as a trading platform and as the name suggests are not very decentralized but very scalable and capital efficient. Lastly we have central limit order books, the light purple box, which is a transparent system that matches customer orders and we can see that they are very capital efficient and decentralized but lack scalability. So overall we can see that Sei offers a real use case and solution with their blockchain technology to help solve the exchange trilemma issues covered. Key points of Sei. Sei has several benefits that make it a great layer 1 blockchain, including fast transaction speeds. Sei is currently the fastest layer 1 blockchain on the market. It can process up to 20,000 transactions per second with the potential for up to 200,000 transactions per second with its up-and-coming Giga Upgrade. Parallelized Ethereum virtual machine. Unlike traditional blockchains, Sei processes multiple transactions simultaneously, drastically increasing throughput. Twin Turbo Consensus is a unique mechanism that provides sub-second transaction finality of around 400 milliseconds, meaning it dramatically speeds up blockchain finality time, making it one of the fastest blockchains. And low transaction fees. Transaction fees using the Sei blockchain are very low. Sei versus Solana. Sei and Solana are both high-speed layer 1 blockchains, but serve different purposes. Sei is optimized for trading and decentralized finance, while Solana is general-purpose blockchain used for a wide variety of decentralized applications, including NFTs and gaming. Next, when it comes to transaction speed, Solana can handle 65,000 transactions per second, while Sei handles up to 20,000 transactions per second. Transaction finality, which is best described as when a transaction is permanent and irreversible on the blockchain network, has Sei much quicker with a transaction finality time of only 400 milliseconds compared to Solana's 13 seconds. And finally, in terms of market cap, Sei has a market cap at time of recording of 794 million, with Solana having a market cap of 76 billion. So to conclude, when it comes to the fastest blockchain, Sei is the clear winner for me, but Sei ultimately focuses on high frequency trading and specialized DeFi applications, making it perfect for that, while Solana is the more established blockchain currently in the market with a larger ecosystem and market cap. How many Sei to be a millionaire in the next bull run? Okay, so before we look at the price predictions for Sei in this bull run, let's remind ourselves of Sei's previous all-time high price, which was $1.14 back in March 2024. With this information about the previous all-time high price, let's now look at the current market cap of one of its main competitors in the space, Solana. As we can see, the current market cap of Solana is around 76 billion, and I believe that Solana should go much higher than this in this remaining bull market. However, in my opinion, I don't think Sei will get anywhere near Solana's current market cap in this bull run. But with that said, on the conservative end of my price prediction, and not financial advice, just my opinion, if Sei was able to increase its market cap to around 13 billion in this bull run, then this would give it a price of $2. On the mid-range of my price prediction, if Sei was able to get to a market cap around 19 billion in this bull market, then this would give it a price of $3. And finally, on the top end of my price prediction, if Sei was able to get to a market cap of around 26 billion, which would still put it far below Solana's current market cap today of 76 billion, then this would give it a price of $4. I believe a price of between $2 and $3 Sei is possible in this bull run. But how many Sei would you need to be a millionaire in this bull run? Using a crypto profit calculator, if we enter the current price and the predicted sell price of $2, we can see it'd require an investment of $62,000 at today's price to get to $1 million mark in this bull run. If we do the same again, but this time set the sell price at the mid-range of our price target prediction of $3, you would need an investment of $41,000 at today's price to get to the $1 million mark in this bull run. And at the higher range of our price prediction, if Sei was able to get to the $4 price prediction, then this would require an investment today of $31,000 to get to the $1 million mark in this bull run. At the $2 price prediction, you would need to buy around 500,000 Sei tokens, which is an investment of $62,000 at today's price to become a millionaire with Sei in this bull run. At the mid-range of our $3 price prediction, you would need to buy around 335,000 Sei tokens, which is an investment of $41,000 to become a millionaire in this bull run. And finally, at the $4 price prediction, you would need to buy around 250,000 Sei tokens, which is an investment of $31,000 at today's price to become a millionaire with Sei in this bull run. Sei Future Outlook. I believe Sei's Future Outlook is looking good, with its soon to launch Giga Upgrade that is scheduled to go live in Q1 of 2026, and looking to position Sei as the fastest Ethereum virtual machine compatible blockchain for high frequency applications. Also, Sei's partnership with Xiaomi, the world's third largest mobile phone vendor, will see Sei's new crypto wallet and Web3 discovery application pre-installed on millions of Xiaomi smartphones in 2026 throughout Europe and Hong Kong, which is a huge announcement. So with all this said, I do think Sei has an impressive blockchain technology, with the major Giga Upgrade coming. Time will tell whether it can take market share from its main competitor in the space, Solana, so let's see. As always, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, I think you'll like this video next, and please be sure to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to stay notified when I post my next video. Thank you.